Congratulations, so far you've joined iNaturalist and you've also joined the Marine Life of Victoria page. This is just a quick video to show you how to add all your awesome underwater images to the ReefWatch Marine Life of Victoria iNaturalist page. Now, simple way to do it is to ignore this big orange Add Observations button and instead go up to this small green Upload button. From here, it'll take you to another screen where you can either click on Choose Files and navigate to where your images are, or you can simply drag and drop. I find this the easiest way. Basically, have your folder open, select all the images that you would like to add, drag, drop them like they're hot, and there you go. You now have these what are called species cards. Now, one of the important things to do before you go any further, if you have two photos of the same individual, so if they're two different individuals, keep them separate. However, these two crab photos are of the same individuals, just different angles. Often that helps with people identifying. So I'll add them, and same with the scallop here. Same individual, just two separate photos. So here are the species cards. These ones now have two images. Now what the program will automatically do is take information out of your photo. It will generally take the date and time, check that that's correct. If that's not correct, adjust it by simply clicking in here and adjusting. The easiest way to do is make sure your camera's right every time you take a photo. Now before we go identifying things, simply click Select All. And now you have two more things to do before you can start the fun of adding your IDs. First is add them all to the project. So click on Add Projects, start typing in Marine Life of Victoria. It will come up. Click, there you go. All these images are now added to the Marine Life of Victoria project. Next thing to do is the location where they're from. Now I will only ever upload images from the same location. This just makes it so much easier because you don't have to go through and add the location for each photo that you upload. So all these photos were taken at Raipier. So if you click on location, this screen comes up. Type in Raipier, and here we go, Raipier. It will bring it up. Again, not ideal. This is sort of the observation circle. So you've seen this observation somewhere within here. So you don't have to pinpoint where you've seen the observation. It's just a generalization so that people know that they were found in that area. And you just adjust the size manually. If you're out on a boat, the easiest way to do it is to type latitude and longitude directly in. Once you've done that and you've adjusted, it's in the right spot, click Update, and that will update for all those images. So that location is now right for all those images, as is the project that it's going to. Next up, the fun begins. Simply click in the box and wait. Don't go typing anything, just wait a second. It will suggest the genus that it's in, and it will also suggest, based on information that it has, what species it might be. So every time you add an observation, it helps improve the artificial intelligence of this program to identify the species. It is the red rock crab. You click on that and you're done. It's that easy. Again, click in, wait a second. It is a magpie perch. Correct. Now this will be interesting to see whether it identifies the invertebrate. Nope. So this is most likely because there may not be many photos of scallops in there. If you don't know the species name and you just know it as scallop, and it will come up with the family. If that's the best that you can identify it given your resources, just click on that and other people will assist you in identifying it further. I know the species, so I'll just type that in for a more accurate record. Now moving on to our last individual here. Again, click, don't type, Senator as it is. Now that was for 4 observations. They're all done. They're ready to go. Click Submit. And you'll see that they've now been added to your observations. As you can see, I've got other observations down here. These ones need ID because I've only put them in. These ones have all been ID'd by other people and are now research grade, so they can be used by scientists. It is that simple. I look forward to seeing your images on the ReefWatch iNaturalist Marine Life of Victoria page. Cheers.